You're welcome to Genesis channel. Here in this video, before I move to the video, I need to wish everyone happy new year. Welcome to 2024. I pray 2024 will be a year where we'll make huge amount of money and legit. All right. Okay, let's just go straight to the point. What this video we're talking about, I'll be sharing with you 5 legit websites where you can, get this free $1,000. And guess what? It's for all Africans. So if you're in Nigeria, if you're in other countries in Africa, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch to the end to get this my 5 websites. These websites are legit. All right, so if you are planning to start a business for your 2024 and maybe you don't have enough capital, then these websites are for you. Try and make sure you register in all and get one for yourself. So it's very legit, it's super interesting. All right guys, before I start introducing this website, if you're just joining us, you've not subscribed, why not hit that subscribe button and hit the like button so others can see this and also try along with you. And also subscribe to our channel, because here in this channel we'll talk about how to make legit money online, importation and other legit way of making money online and offline. All right guys, let me just use my phone screen to show you this website and how they work. All right guys, so this is the first website I'll be talking about. Actually, I will be dropping every website, the 5 websites, on the description button, so on the description section. So in case you're like, this website, how am I going to get the links? Just go to the description button below, you'll be seeing the links. So now this is the first website I'm talking about. Need some funding, have a crazy brilliant idea that needs funding. So if you're here, you want to start up a business, or you have a project at hand that you want to start up, but the finance is the problem, then this website, you need to try this one, and also register it. They award $1,000 grant every month, so it will be simpler. Your ideas is yours alone, so we don't want to stuck in it. We just want to help you make it happen. So this website is amazing. It's so amazing. You see, it's just like a foundation. So that started since 2009, and it's super amazing. It has been helping people and all that. So it's super Alright guys, so still talking about this website. You see everything about the website is super amazing. It's for all Africans. So when you talk about awesome, what do you mean? You see that it helps people accomplish their projects, so it's super amazing. How does it work? It's super amazing. You just need to apply. And guess what? When I talk about grants, I'm talking about free money. I'm not talking about loan that you have to pay back. You understand? Just like a foundation where to help people. So you need to register it. I also have 4 other months, so make sure you register everything, and it is legit guys. It is legit. What you just need to do is to click on the first link to get this one and sign up. Let me show you how to sign up and register. It's super amazing. All right guys, so once you click on that first link on the description button, description area section, you will see to bring you here. Are you ready to get awesome? Just fill out the application below and inform about yourself. Let me just go through it immediately. Put in your email address, your phone number, project title, and tell them about your awesome project. Tell them about your project. Simple. Just go straight to the point. Tell them what you want to use the grant for. You understand me? How will you use the money? It's not, they need to know, because they want to accomplish other projects, so they need to know. Then after that, you need to tell them a little about yourself, and you need to upload image of the project you're talking about, and you click on apply. It's very simple, and it's super amazing. Let me just quickly go to the other 4, not so I don't waste much time.